If you want to draw on photos on Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply open the gallery. Now we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Next, we're gonna tap on the photo in order to reveal options, and we need to go to edit by pressing on this pen icon over here. Now here we need to find the doodle option, so let's select it. We have some different options to choose from, so let's say we can choose a red color. We can also draw straight lines or different shapes and so on and so forth. And we can start drawing anything that we wish to have on our photo. Once you are done, we can press this check over here in the bottom right corner, and you can also go back, of course, by tapping on this icon that you saw. So anything you draw over here, you can go back one step behind. And there we go. Of course, press this check as I mentioned, and then we can save our photo once we are done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.